Hey everyone, welcome back to Energy Sports. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 accessories under $20 that you can add to your e-bike just to improve your experience. It's going to be a quick video, a lot of fun. Stay tuned. As I go through all of these accessories for the e-bike, I will put links in the description section of this video as well as the comment section so you can find where I found mine. Now, the first accessory under $20 that I think everybody should have on their e-bike, if it's not already built in, would be a phone mount. Now, these things are very affordable. In fact, I paid about $10 for this one here, and it does expand to any phone size. Really easy to set up. It also has, for added security, which I actually really like, are these little straps right here which wrap around the corners of your phone. So it really is secure when you're going over those bumps. You don't have to worry about this popping open. Even though it does lock pretty good, it could potentially pop open going over some heavy terrain, and that's where something like this elastic around the corner of your phone really comes in handy. Now, there's another solution for phone mounts, and it's one that I put on a lot of my bikes, and I have it on this bike right here. Let me show that to you. Now, similar to the mount that goes like this on your phone, you can actually get one of these little devices right here, and I'll link this one in the description section as well. And then on the back of your regular phone case, you would put the device to lock it, and all you would do is just put it right in the hole and turn it to lock it, and it's in place. It's not going anywhere. It's a great solution. It's a more stable solution. You don't have to worry about it popping off or anything like that. But the only problem with this is you can't angle it quite as much as you would be able to with that mount there. Now, these ones here are around $20, so you're going up in price from about a $10 mount to a $20 mount, but it is nice because it doesn't have all this extra stuff on your e-bike. It's very simplistic. Which leads me to my second accessory I think everybody should have on an e-bike is a storage capability package, something like this. So for example, I know a lot of people will put baskets on the front or they'll put racks on the back. Now those are extra things you can do. It's going to be over $20. This video is all about under $20. So you could get a little bag like this. Now this one comes with little straps that you could just put right here on your bike. So you would just strap it around there, and it gives enough storage that you could add essentials when you are out, say you're camping or going on long rides. You definitely need one of these key sets, because what this will do is this allows you to repair your bike if anything happens. Maybe it gets a little bit loose and you just need to tighten some handlebars or maybe something in the wheel. A little key setup like this by Husky is it's a couple dollars, and it's totally worth it. And if you could bring it with you, it's even better. You could fit that in here. Another thing is a little bike pump. So this is an automated bike pump, so you don't have to pump it manually. And you could add that to this as well. So you put both of those in a little bag like this, and if you really want to get crazy, you actually have the ability to put your phone here, which is touchscreen sensitive. So if you get one like this, and I will link this one in the description, you can stick it right here, put your phone in there. Now you eliminated the phone mount on your handlebars, and you have storage without adding baskets or racks. And the final accessory that I would add to every e-bike is very simply just a new seat. Most of the e-bikes come with these harder seats like this. It's not that comfortable, and if you're cruising 50, 60, 70, 80 miles and you're not standing up and pedaling, you're just throttling it, a little more comfortable seat makes more sense to me. So I upgrade a lot of my e-bikes to these really padded seats. I mean, this thing is cushiony and really comfortable. I'll give you a close-up between these two so you can kind of see the difference. And I mean, you can definitely see this is very thin. This is a traditional, this is actually not that bad. Some are even worse, but this is a traditional seat that comes on e-bikes. Now you get something like this. And I know some e-bikes come with big cushiony seats, but not all of them do, especially these fancier ones. You pay more, you think you get a better seat. Not always. Add a seat, you can get one of these for under $20. Now, this is something that pushes the envelope because you could get something a little bit more than $20. But that's up to you guys. For 20 bucks, you can get a great seat. So there you go, 3 accessories under $20 that you can add to any e-bike to really improve your performance and your comfort, because really that's what it's about. You want to get on an e-bike, you want to be comfortable, you want to have some fun. Little accessories like this just make your life a whole lot easier. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you do comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. I'll do that video. I've got lots of e-bikes to review on this channel, so if you like e-bikes, you want to learn more about them, make sure you do subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.